Electric charges and fields. We are doing MCQ question number 1. So in figure 1.1, um, two positive charges Q2 and Q3 fixed along the y-axis exert a net electric force in the direction in the positive x direction on charge Q1 fixed along the x-axis. So on x-axis we have Q1 and on y-axis we have Q2 and Q3, and then the net charge, Q2 and Q3 exert a net charge, a net electric force on Q1. So you can draw this thing in the book and check. See, we have, we are doing 1.1. So we have this, we have Q2 and we have Q3 and we have Q1, and then we have capital Q. We will draw it later, okay? So over here they are also telling that if a positive charge Q is added on place x comma y, x comma 0, the force on Q1 will be, we have 4 options also given. So the options are shall increase along a positive x-axis, shall decrease along positive x-axis, shall point along negative x-axis, shall increase, but the direction changes because the intersection of Q with Q2 and Q3. Okay, so now they're telling us that it is along the direction of x-axis, right? So now if we see properly, okay, so if we can see the force between Q1 and Q2 on Q1 which is there, so this is positive and even this is positive, so they are telling the resultant is in this direction. Now if I see if this is positive, what will happen? If it is positive, these both will go in the opposite direction, right? The force acting will be in opposite direction, correct? Similarly, this is also positive, this is also positive, so Q3 and Q1 which is there, the force will be in opposite direction. So this will go in opposite direction and this will go in opposite direction. So now the resultant force will be in this direction, correct? But they are telling it's in this direction, so it means this is negative, this is not positive. Okay, now on seeing more carefully, they are telling us that Q is also there in the position of x comma 0 coordinates. Now we have Q1 and then the net resultant is in this, so we can say F1 2 3. Okay, and this is Q2 and this is Q3, and force is acting on this side, so it is on this side. Okay, now they have mentioned that Q is also positive. Now this is negative, this is positive, so what will happen? Opposite, this will go in this direction, this will go in this direction. So we have to see about Q1. Now we can see clearly this is over here in this direction only, this is in this direction, this is in this direction for Q1 and capital Q. So we can see Q F1 2 3 is going in this direction, and FQ and capital Q, FQ1 and capital Q are also going in this direction. So F net on Q1 will be equal to, see we are checking for Q1, right? So it will become F1 2 3 plus FQ1 capital Q. Now we can see it is increasing in the it is increasing along the negative x-axis. So but though it is in, wait, I think I'm wrong. It is increasing along the positive x-axis. You can see it is pointing towards this side. So automatically we can go with the first option because they are telling force on Q1 shall increase along the positive x-axis. Not it is not decreasing also. You see it's increasing उल्टा और ज़्यादा दो मतलब we got more double. Already this was there. Upon that extra came, so of course it increased, no? So option A is the answer. Shall increase along positive x-axis. Next we will do 1.2. The question says, let's do it in the next video then, it's too long already.